Hey everyone! Want to send a quick voice message instead of typing out a long text? Today I'm showing you exactly how to send voice messages on iPhone using the Messages app. By the way, I've written a detailed article with images for each step. Link is in the description if you prefer reading. Alright, here's the easiest way to send a voice message. Open the Messages app and tap on the conversation where you want to send a voice message, or start a new conversation. Look at the bottom of the screen where you normally type your message. On the right side next to the text field, you'll see a small microphone icon or a waveform icon. Tap and hold on this microphone button and start speaking your message. While you're holding the button, you'll see a waveform showing that it's recording your voice. Keep holding the button down the entire time you're speaking. When you're done recording, you have two options. Option 1. Slide your finger up towards the top of the screen while still holding the button. This will lock the recording so you can review it before sending. Option 2. Just lift your finger off the button and the message will automatically send immediately. If you slid up to lock the recording, you'll see a play button to listen to it, a trash icon to delete it, and the blue send arrow to send it. Tap the send arrow when you're ready. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to send voice messages on iPhone like a pro. It's way faster than typing and adds a personal touch to your conversations. If this tutorial helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe for more iPhone tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below and I'll answer them all. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.